Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So this is very important video. I have uploaded a lot of videos on the visas. Like I have uploaded video on the visit visa. I have uploaded video on the tier 2 visa, skilled worker visa, and the health and care worker visa as well. When I uploaded these videos, a lot of people were commenting under these videos and people were asking, sir, what is the fee of the biometric? So first of all, I would like to tell you that what biometric is. So when you will start applying for a visa, what you have to do, you will fill an online application from your mobile or from your laptop. So after filling the online application, it will take you to the next page, and on the next page a lot of dates for the biometrics will be given. So first of all, let me tell you what biometric is. So when you will take a date of the biometric, you will go in either of the center of biometrics. There are 4 centers in the Pakistan, one in the Karachi, one in Lahore, and one in Islamabad, and the 4th one is in the Kashmir. So you can take the date of the biometric, you can take the booking of the biometric from any of these 4 centers, but please keep in mind. So here we will talk about like what is the fee of the biometric. So this is very important point. So please keep in mind, when you will fill the online application, it will take you toward the biometric appointment dates, and you will see over there that there are a lot of dates will be available. Some of the dates will be showing that free, and some of the date will be showing that paid. So what is the meaning of the free biometric dates, free biometric appointment, and what is the meaning of the paid biometric appointment? Like today is the 31st of the March, and today I have completed my visa application. Now I want an urgent appointment for the biometric, like I want the appointment from the 3rd of April. What I will do, I will see like if any date is available for the 3rd of April. Definitely no date will be available for the 3rd April in a free section. But if you still want to go for the 4th of April, what you can do, you can take a paid biometric appointment. So if you will be able to take, if you will take the paid biometric appointment, what does it mean? Like you can get the early biometric appointment if you are going to pay the fee of the biometric appointment. But if you don't want to pay the fee of the biometric appointment, you could have to wait for at least 10 to 15 days. And sometime even you can get the early date as well. Let me give you an example. When I was applying for my visit visa for the PLEP 2 exam, so I was searching for the free dates. There was no date in the Islamabad, no date in the Lahore. So then I searched for the Karachi. Fortunately, I was able to get an appointment in the Karachi that was free of the cost, and that was before the Lahore and the Islamabad appointment as well. So there is an important point I would like to tell you. Yes, you can find the free appointment in Karachi, you can find free appointment in Lahore, you can find a free appointment in Islamabad as well. But if you are thinking that you want to go for the biometric appointment in Kashmir, please keep in mind, there will be no free biometric appointment in the Kashmir. This is rule of the VSF Global, that like they have kept no free appointment in the Kashmir. Like if you want to go Kashmir for the visa biometric appointment, definitely what you have to do, you have to pay the fee for the appointment, and then you will go for the appointment of your biometrics in the Azad Kashmir. But if you want a free appointment, so what you have to do, you have to choose either Lahore, Karachi, or the Islamabad. And if you want to know regarding the fee of the biometrics, when you will complete your application, it will definitely take you to the next page from where you can book the biometric appointment, and it will be given that this is the free seat and this is the paid seat. When you will click on the paid seat, it will clearly show you that what is the fee of this paid seat, and from there you can easily check that how much is the fee of the paid biometric appointment. So if you have any other question regarding the biometrics of your visa, either visit visa, either the tier 2 visa, skilled worker visa, you can ask me on the comment box, or you can directly message me on the Instagram. I would like to answer all of your comments and all of your replies of the messages. Thank you very much for watching the video.